The purpose of the Vedas is Vedaischa sarvair ahameva vedya. In all the Vedas, only Krishna is to be understood. And understanding Krishna naturally leads to the point of devotional service. Ekoli Ishwar Krishna Arshav Vritta. Only Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead and everyone else is His servant. And the servant's business is to serve. And the service is simply due to an expression of love, loving devotional service. So everybody's actual business is to become engaged in this loving devotional service or pure devotional service. Apparently Karmakanda section and Jnanakanda sections are there in the Vedas, but they are not leading to the ultimate consideration, ultimate point. They are just gradual promotional, gradual elevation or gradual promotion. The main consideration is to become engaged in devotional service. And the Vedas are also pointing out why. Because we are His parts and parcels. Therefore, the fulfillment of our existence lies in becoming connected to Him.